my name is Ava. I have my little ducky shoes and here's Mom.
We're gonna plant some tomato plants.
Tomatoes, jalapeno, potatoes. I think that's it.
I have my little ducky here. Do you like it?
They love it. And what are you doing, Mom?
Drilling holes for
Plants.
water to go through.
Plants. Tomato plants. We're gonna plant some tomato plants. A hole where? A hole in the middle of the black ones. Done. Magic. Eggshells. Why are we putting eggshells in?
It helps with the blossom end rot. I don't know, I was having problems before, so I figured this can help.
Hopefully somebody out there knows what that means because I have no clue.
Yeah, everyone knows what it means.
Except for me. So eggshells from our eggs we've been saving and grinding up. Isn't that right, Seth?
Yep. It would be a lot easier if we got a wheelbarrow. All the mulch in it.
Oh, you mean the wheelbarrow that we have down over there?
I'm not planting tomatoes in here, by the way. It's too small of them. I have to check to see if this is too small for jalapeno or not. I don't think it is, but I have herbs I got too. I got cilantro, lettuce. What else did I get? I don't know what else I got. I got a bunch of stuff.
You have to put your tongue on both the dots.
Do it.
Just do it fast.
Okay, so I have my potato bags ready. And I set these potatoes out on the counter, kind of where they get some sunlight. You want these to be dried out, and I saw somewhere that you want these kind of crispy. So I kind of set them in the sun by a window yesterday. So we're going to put these in the bags. So I'm putting in 3 potatoes each. What happened there? You want the eyes to be facing up. You want your soil to be nice and fluffy. So you don't want it compacted in there. I was watching a bunch of videos about potatoes, and it says you should put sulfur in it and some other things, but I don't have any of that, and it's my first time, so I'm just trying this first. We are using bags instead of the ground because we are in the process of moving, and I need to get some stuff started. So you just put enough soil in there just to cover the top. One more bag. Probably gonna do 3 more bags of these. I am gonna miss this view though.
Just like plants need things to grow, like sun, water, and a safe place. Our family needs things to grow too. Time together, experiences, and love. So until our plants get a little bit bigger, from our family to yours,
Happy growing!